So we've just sent the test tubes from the front to the back and the fill tubes in the back to the front to start dipping. So now I'm going to press the dip button and the arm will go down to start dipping. So every time the system moves, the carousel moves or the arm moves, it'll give us a beep so we are alert. So the dip settings are 2 centimeters stroke and 30 dpm. And if you can zoom into the screen right now, I'm going to pull the dip settings so you can take a look. We are testing the system at 30 dpm and 2 centimeters stroke right now. In this screen we can program as many cycles as we want. You can see the numbers here, and pressing the next button you can keep setting each cycle. After you're done setting the cycles, you can enter the number of cycles you want the RRT to start testing. In this case we put 20, but we can change to only 1 because we're testing right now. So we're going to continue in the manual mode because in the auto mode the system takes around 5 minutes to do 1 complete cycle. So in order to save time, we're going to do this manually, and I'm going to go to the manual mode, the fill wash screen. I'm going to take a manual sample just by pressing the start auto sampler button here. And later pressing the OK button on the ASC controller. First I have to open program number 1. And run method. So you will see, if you can have a zoom in of the syringes here, you can see the syringes are gonna pick 5 ml from, if you can take a look, from each probe here on the front on the test area. Those 5 ml we're gonna go to the waste tank here. Right now we won't be able to see because all the probes are inside the waste tank. After those 5 ml were primed, we picked another 5 ml of the front tubes, of the test tubes. And now the syringes are going to waste 2.5 ml as per the program says. All of these settings are able to be programmed or changed. And now is going to move the sampling arm to the first row, and it'll deliver 1.5 ml into each vial. In this case we don't have the vials, we're just demoing it, so you'll see the flow coming out of the probes. So 1.5 ml went there, and the rest will go to the waste. Okay, so we've seen pretty much the functioning of the whole system, the media delivery system, the release rate tester, and the sampling device.